What's up, everybody? Today I will be unboxing my new DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I just got it today, April 23rd, 2020. First of all, I hope everybody's staying safe during this quarantine. Practice social distancing, wash your hands, and just, stay safe, stay home, stay strong. This is only a minor setback for a major comeback. So stay safe, stay home. Hope you're doing okay during this quarantine. Today I'll be unboxing this lovely thing here. I've already taken the packaging off and a sticker. So there's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like when you have your phone on it. So I will go ahead and undo this. So here we go. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so there's that right there. Oh, I like this. It's like little padding, like things. That's cool. I did get the kit off of Amazon, and there is an app that you're supposed to download that you can do like lots of cool stuff with this thing. I've been reading, or I've been seeing YouTube tutorials on how to use this. So comes in this nice little packaging here, and just nothing much inside there except for the popcorn and an accessory kit. So we'll get into this first. I also got the mini tripod that came with it also, so I can set it up somewhere and just have it with me wherever I go. I do have the I do have like a gimbal that I'm using now to record this, but a coworker of mine said that the end of it does not allow me to charge my phone, and it gets unbalanced. Whereas opposed to this, I can charge it. I can charge my phone with it while I'm using it, and it'll remain balanced. So I will be testing this out. I will do a review of this in the coming days. I walk every day, so I'll probably use this when I walk a couple times, and then do a review on it. So that's that right here. And so we're just going to get into this little packaging here. I do believe there comes a carrying case with it, so that should be in here. Also, move this down just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I know it cuts off my head, but I have a big head, so maybe that's one way of doing it, I guess. Not the ideal way, but that's one way of doing it. And there goes a lot of stuff. Oops. So that's TV. So charger, a wrist that you can hold on your wrist and hold it. I'll be using this probably, more than likely. I might just put it on my camera. I don't know. And in here is a carrying case with it. Nice little. It feels like some type of cloth, but it's very nice, very soft. And it fits in your pocket, I guess. So that's cool. So I got that. I have the hand thing. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for the actual DJI Osmo 3. My dog's under here, by the way, in case you wonder what that noise is. DJI Osmo 3 or my camera, because I need a thing for my camera. More than likely I'll use this for the actual device that it's actually supposed to be used for, and then the charger. So is that it? Oh, and well, it looks okay. Not really sure what this is, but all right, cool. And then the quick start guide. Always handy to read these. And disclaimer, safety guidelines, almost like terms and conditions. But yeah, I'll definitely read this. Now let's look at the mini tripod. The mini tripod looks like a fan. Like one of the hot days, you have like the water bottle with the fan on it. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's a nice little thing too. Comes in some little baggage, one little baggie. Okay, I see it. And then I guess it just screws on to the bottom of whatever. So I could probably use this now to hold this gimbal up. But I'm not going to in case something drastic happens. So there's that. That's cool. And now we should have put all this stuff back into the box too, because I don't know when I'm going to use it. There's that. So now let's get into the actual thing. So oh, it's very small. Oh yeah, this thing is really small. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Yeah, this thing is really small. Does it power on? Oh, it does. Okay, that's cool. All right, well then. All right, cool. So let's just go over. All right, cool. So now it's powered off. All right, cool. And then it goes back to its resting position. That's cool. I don't want to break it. I'm just trying to put it down. All right, cool. So here we have your record button at the top with the red, and then we have the mode to switch modes, and then joystick to turn and rotate. And then this folds up here, and you can automatically tell where your phone is supposed to be. And it tells you where your phone's supposed to be at. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it'll say like which way your phone's supposed to be. Wow, that's neat. That's so cool. And then here you have the USB port where you can charge your phone, the charger port for the actual gimbal itself. This trigger is going to be used for different modes, which will be later on in the review. And then you have your toggle zoom right there on the side. So overall, it's pretty compact, pretty small. I've been told it fits in your pocket. So we will test that theory out sometime soon. There we go. Not bad. Press and hold. Okay, cool. Okay, so there's a little diagram here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's not getting in focus, but it says press and hold the record button, trigger, and M button simultaneously for 1 second to forget the Bluetooth device. So to forget your device, like if you had your phone, to forget it, that way it could disconnect. I'm definitely not going to take these off though. These are helpful guides to for you. Again, this is actually my first unboxing video on this channel. But yeah, so I would definitely, again, so we have this, the DJI Osmo 3, DJI Osmo Mobile 3. We have the, wherever it went, okay. We have the cloth. We have the charger. And then we have the mini tripod that came with it. And then I am told to, there's also a app. So I'm going to, there's also an app, it's called DJI Mimo. And I will show you guys how to download that. So what you would do is you will go to your shout out to my lovely screen record on my phone. So what you would do is you go to your app store if you have iPhone, or your Play Store if you have Android, and you will type in DJI Osmo Mobile 3. As you can see there, I selected it because it recognized it. And then there's that first app that's called DJI Mimo. So what you would do is, it's free to get. You would click get or install, and then it will ask for your, if you have Face ID set up, I'll ask for your Face ID, which I just did mine, and then it'll automatically download. And then I will also be doing a review on that when I do my review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. If you guys like, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you guys know whenever I post new videos. You guys can stay up to date with me, and be sure to keep an eye out for the review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. You guys can follow me on any social media that will be linked at the bottom in the description box and at the end of the video. Thanks, guys.